Hello guys, my name is Sajawal Surani. This is my YouTube channel Sajawal Goat Farm. Welcome to my channel. Today's our topic is how much does pet insurance cost in USA? Let's start the video. More than 91 million households in US have pets, which roughly translates into more than 91 million opinions on how to best care a pet for. But one way to guard against giant and unexpected vet bills is the best in pet insurance. But how much average pet insurance cost is the main question. For dogs, pet insurance ranges from 20 to 44 US dollar a month. For cats, we found a range of 12 to 46 a month. That's not too much costly. Overall, pet insurance costs an average of 35 a month for a dog and 28 a month for cats in 2022. And in for the goats or other pets, you need if someone like who actually love the goats and need insurance can have rates around 51 per month to 34 a month. This is actually quite high. The cost of pet insurance varies based on multiple factors, including type of coverage, amount of coverage, and the pet's breed and age. How much is the pet insurance for dogs? As you can see, the cost vary depending on the pet insurance company. That's why it's a good idea to compare pet insurance quotes for multiple insurances before you buy a policy. Let's start watching some companies' insurance policies. For example, Figo. Figo charges for a puppy $34 per month. They charges almost 32 for a dog per month. Overall average is $34 per month. Embrace as well. They are too much costly. They charge $46 for a puppy and $44 for a dog, and average is $45. And likewise, Spot also charges $45 and $47 for a dog, which average is